Greetings, YouTubers. Here's another mod for you. Okay, you got your military mess kit pan, and this is a way to fix it so it doesn't weeble wobble. I just took some of these nice cutters here, and I got my rigid tubing cutter for copper pipe here, and I cut me a copper pipe. Let's get this in the damn light here. Okay, and then up here, hopefully, let's see, I probably have to go to macro so you can see it up close. There we go. Cut a notch in the end of the tube, the copper tube, on both sides. That way it slips in there. And the back piece here, whoa, is it's curved. I mean, I could put a little more of a bend on there, but it's not definitely coming out. And I just had to hold the pan down and push down on the handle and measure it, and then cut it like about an eighth of an inch longer than the edge of the lip here. That way when you cut the notch there, because you're going to lose an eighth of an inch because of the groove, but no more flippy floppy. That's just nice and sturdy. But you know, a lot of people just take a stick out there in the woods and do it that way. Another idea that I was going to do, but I couldn't drill through that stainless steel. All my drill bits, they just won't do it. But this is 1/4-20 threaded rod, and that's another idea. You know, if you got a way to drill a hole back here, I got a center punched right there. You can see a little. I was going to drill it out so I could put a wing nut on here, and that way the wing nut would be wedged in between the hinge and the lip, and give 2 good points of contact there. And then back on this side, just put a 1/4-20 on each side of it. You just slip it in, spin a nut on there, and tighten it down. Voila. That'd be another way to make this military mess kit where the handle's just not flopping around like a whatever, you know. That's the only bad thing about these kits. And then I took mine and polished it really good. I got a really good finish on there, so it helps as far as non-stick. Just use peanut oil, and you can fry up eggs without them sticking to your pan. Watch all those people on YouTube burn up their food doing their breakfast. And anyways, that's just an idea out there for somebody that wants to make themselves a nice, sturdy, solid, no flopping around handle for their USGI military mess kit. Thanks for watching.